Hi everyone. So I got another order of lip bar products. Actually, this is my first. I am not going to spend a whole lot of time going over these. Maybe I'll review them individually just so you can see the color of the lipstick. I'm not a big lipstick person, like this traditional kind of lipstick in this type of container. I like something with like an applicator, or like a gloss. But I have one of their products and really like it. And so I wanted to try some more. This is my first actual classic lipstick from them. This is a gloss. These are two other glosses, I think. I just don't know the difference. Well, anyway, yeah, we'll review these some other time. But I opened them and just wanted to like show you their cute packaging, and really I'm here to talk about Shoedazzle, which I am an affiliate for Shoedazzle. I just got my first Shoedazzle purchase. So hang on one second while I grab my Shoedazzle box. This is just so you can see lip bars. Cute packaging. It's just an envelope, a bubble mailer. Okay, Shoedazzle. So I had been looking for other affiliate opportunities. I also like shoes. I like really nice shoes. Sometimes they don't have the style I want. So, I took a look at Shoedazzle in their program. So Shoedazzle is a subscription that's about $39.95 or something like that per month. And you can get a new pair of shoes every month, or you can accumulate those credits and use them in a future month. If you don't want to pay 1 month or 2 months or every month, really, all you have to do is notify them that you're going to what's the word for it? Basically, you notify them that you won't be using your credit, or you not pause, but you pass basically on that month, and they won't charge you. So we'll call it passing. Just pass for that month, and they won't charge you the fee, but you have to do it by the 5th of each month. So I will put Shoedazzle's information in the description if you would like to sign up for their subscription, if you really love shoes and always want to look at changing your style, or you're the type of person that doesn't want to be seen in the same thing twice, or whatever your case may be. So I'm a professional organizer, so I'm not going to encourage you to hoard shoes. If you got something that you only want to wear once or twice, selling shoes is always an option as well. I'm also on Poshmark, and that is a great way to get rid of shoes that you no longer want to wear. So, having said that, I made my first purchases on Shoedazzle. Each of these shoes, I believe it came out to be like $12 each. I know they've been running a special forever where like your first pair of shoes, if you sign up for the VIP subscription program that I just described, is $10 for that first pair of shoes. So it's a really great deal. Also, if you do not want to sign up for a subscription, you can also just do a one-off purchase. Like, you see a pair of shoes there you like, you buy them, you go on with your life, they arrive in the mail, whatever. That's going to cost more. That is not $10, though. I mean, the shoes it's just like buying shoes from like a department store or something. So you could pay like $40, you could pay like $80. It just depends on the price of the shoe. So these are my first two purchases. It comes in a regular postage box with the Shoedazzle boxes enclosed. I really think, because I have a lot of shoes, a lot of new shoes, a lot of shoes I have not worn yet, thanks to this shutdown due to COVID-19. So I'm really being conscious of accumulating too many shoes, and so I'm probably going to be selling a lot of these. So if you see a pair, if you see something and you want to know if I may be selling it, drop me a comment or send me an email. I should also, you know what? So I'm going to wear these and like get my fill of them because they're my first couple pair. But on down the line, as I get more shoes, I will probably also include a link to my Poshmark, because some things I may just, I don't know, just get the shoes, because I'm an affiliate for Shoedazzle, so I may just get some shoes for review purposes, photo purposes, and then turn right around and sell them on Poshmark. I'm still trying to figure out how I'm going to work this, but I am determined to not become overrun with shoes that I don't wear. So let's take a look at my first couple pair. So the big box is, I already know, I decided to get a pair of ho 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 shoes for the summer, if you get my drift. And I might even use these for my pole dancing once I get my pole. But yeah, these are zip up sandals. It's hard to see them, but this is a clear strap. And they just zip up the front and they go up the leg. It's hard because of how they packaged these. They're longer than the box, but and then there's the heel. And so yeah, these are kind of hard to see because they're really like clear sandals with like a nude zipper at the front. I wasn't sure how I felt about the zipper up the front, but I like them. I like them in the photo and I like them on, so yeah. I decided to order them. I thought they were a great deal, seeing as how I only paid like $14 for them. Or probably $10 when I first added them to my cart, because I was just gonna get one pair. Then I decided to get more. And that is why I got these. Now, I don't know if I'm in love with the material because it's fabric, like a cotton fabric. Maybe it's polyester. I don't know. Feels almost like denim a little bit. I don't know. Cotton. It's probably what it is. But yeah, so these are my, oh, I'm holding them all off camera. These are my multicolor heels. I have a new bag from MCM that matches that color. I'm gonna review that bag, or I've already reviewed it. I'll just post it. But so I got these with that in mind. I want to incorporate more colors. I have, if you've seen, I have a jumpsuit that matches that blue, a dress that matches the pink. So I got these with those outfits in mind. And it's just an ankle strap with a magenta heel. Just to pop a color, pop a multicolor. And this, I don't even know how this closure works. Is it? Yeah, it's just a regular buckle. So, let's see if I can get like, I really don't want to unpack this whole thing all at once, but yeah. So, just so you can see what the heel looks like. So yeah, these are my first two purchases from Shoedazzle. I will continue to review the membership as it goes on. If you have questions about how I'm liking it, how it works, different types of shoes you can buy, whatever, visit the website because I'm going to put that in the description. And also feel free to leave me a comment or shoot me an email. And I'm going to include my affiliate link. Please, if you purchase from Shoedazzle, utilize my affiliate link if you're going to do the membership, especially the subscription, and help me help you. It'll give me a little commission off of the sale. So that is all for this review. Of course, you know, I've got more backlogged and more coming, more things to film probably. And so I will see you soon in the next video. And until then, take care. Be well, stay safe, stay clean, stay organized. See you soon. Bye now.